if you
Hi,
want to.
Dave McKernan from the Office of Emergency Management. We have Hurricane Irene approaching Fairfax County up the East Coast. And we expect the most of the effects of the storm to start in Fairfax County on Saturday evening, progress through the night through Sunday. And some of the things that we're asking our residents to do: bring in some outside furniture if you think you can blow around. Be prepared for power outages. Have food available, battery-operated radios to keep in contact. If you haven't signed up already for CEAN, our Community Emergency Alert Network, we're asking you to do that, and we will provide information to you through that process. We ask also food, water, just in case you're having problems with your electricity. And probably most important is, once you ensure that you're okay, the storm has passed, we ask you to look out after your neighbors. Check on your neighbors, make sure that they're okay. And obviously if you have an emergency, just dial 911.